Hi viewers, welcome to YouTube channel. Today I am discussing about how to insert the records in Java application using NetBeans IDE. Here, first create the new project. To create the new project, just go to the file menu and select new project. Here, under the categories, select Java and under the projects window, select Java application. Then click on the next button. Then enter your project name. Here it is, enter your project name. For example, I am entering the project name, for example, demo123. Here is just project name. You can give any name. Here it is, just user defined name. Then click on the finish button. Here it will create the one project with the class demo123. Within this class we are having the one method, that is main method. Within this method we are creating our logic, that is inserting records into the database using Java language. Here it is, if you want to connect Java application into the database engine, here we are having the 5 steps. First one is, that is load and register the driver package. First step here, load and register the driver package. And next one is create connection. That is, you have to create the one path to send our queries into the database. That is connection path. And third one is arrange the statement object to send our query from Java application into the database engine. We need a one vehicle. That vehicle is nothing but a statement object. And next step here, prepare, send and execute. Prepare, send and execute. That is a SQL query. And last step here, that is close the connection. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ 1, that is load and register the driver package. Here within our project directory we are having the one folder that is called as a library folder. This library having one default package, that is JDK 1.8, and add our libraries that is related to the JDBC drivers. If you want to add the libraries, then click on the, that is right click on the libraries folder. Then select add library. Yav select ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲಿ, select add library. Next it will open the one window, that is add library window. Here within the libraries, that is available libraries, you have to select Java DB driver. Select ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, select Java DB driver. Then click on the add library button. Just click on the add library button. Here these are the driver packages. And next here it is, create our application. Next step here it is connection cn is equals to driver manager dot get connection. Driver manager dot get connection. Within the bracket we have to pass our database path as a parameter. Here it is, get connection method having the one parameter, that is path of your database. Here it is, connection. Next here in this statement we are having the one error that is indicated by the red line. Next just click on the bubble here, that is the left side of your statement. Then import the package that is related to the java.sql.connection. Just click on that particular statement. Automatically this statement will be added into your application. Here it is importing statement. Next, here it is again, it is showing the error. Select next statement, there is a surround statement with try catch block. Select try catch block. Within this block we have to create our logic. Then second statement here, statement st is equals to con dot or cn dot create statement object. Create statement object. Then next statement here, create our SQL query. Before creating the SQL query, first remove this error. Again, in the statement object statement, we are having the one error. Again, click on the bubble symbol. It will suggest you. ಏನು ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Here it is import java.sql statement. Select that statement. Here it will add into your application. Next, prepare, send and execute. Next step, here it is st dot execute update. Here it is, we are inserting the records into the database. Execute update, and we are passing one parameter. In pass madadri, here it is, we are passing one parameter. That parameter is called as a SQL query. Here it is, for example, insert into table name. Table name kodri, for example, here it is a std, that is a student table. Then values, within the bracket, here we are passing some values. For example, it is student register ID, that is the register number is 100, and we are passing another parameter, that is student name. For example, student name is Chanakya. Just entering the values. Then here use the single quote, because outer statement having the double quote symbol. One second. Okay, here it is. You have to select single quote, and these parameters are separated by the comma and end with the semicolon. Here it is, just remove the statement. Then close the connection with the help of cn object. Here it is cn dot close the connection and end with the semicolon. Then lastly display the statement system dot out dot print ln. System dot out dot print ln. Here it is, you have to display the statement. Here records are inserted. Records inserted. Here it is, we are displaying the one message to the user. And next one is create our database in the NetBeans IDE. How to create the how to create the database within the NetBeans IDE. Just go to the services window. Within the services window, expand databases, and here it is, first option Java DB. Right click on the Java DB and select the create database. Then enter your database name. For example, we are creating the one database that is called as a student database. That is, we are giving the name, that is a stud database. Then click on the OK button. Here it will create the one database under the services window. Here it is our database, that is a student database. Next, right click on the database name, then select the connect option. You have to select connect option, then just click on the OK button. It will display the app folder. Under this we are having the one folder, that is a tables folder, and right click on the tables, then select the create table option. Here it is, select create a table option, then give the table name. For example, it is, that is a std, database name is stud and table name is std. Then add the columns into the student table. For example, student register number SRN, and we are entering the values in the form of string value. Then we are entering the type as varchar and enter the size, that is a 20. Then click on the OK button. Add one more column. For example, it is yes name, that is a student name. Again it is also in the form of string value. Then set the data type as varchar and enter the size of value. Then click on the OK button. Here it is. Then lastly click on the again OK button. Here it will create the one table, that is a student table. This student table having the two columns. One is a serial number, there is a student register number and student name. Then compile your application and execute the application. Just click on the run project button. Here we are having the small error, just check it. No suitable drivers found for driver manager. Okay, here it is. Still we are not entering the database path here. Now in database path entry madilri navi. Then how to fetch the database path? Here we are having the database, that is a stud database. Here it is our path. Just copy this line. Here it is, this statement, that is a path of your database. Then within the connection method, set as a one parameter, that is localhost machine. Then again run the application. Here it is records inserted. Display the statement. Here it is records inserted. Then check the records in the table. Right click on the table. Then select view data. Here it is, select view data. Here it is our record, that is register number and student name.